Good morning, student. How are you all? Hopefully, we are very fine. I am so fine. Today, I'll take your art class. A topic also how to draw and paint flower scenery. We are passing time is rainy season time. All time outside, heavy rain, everything inside the water, and downside mainly downside is everything inside the water. Every year, our people is suffering. This is the main problem. Today we are topics also how to draw and paint flood. I'll show this some simple flood. Our downside flood. This is same situation and village side and this situation. Our village also see heart and heart also in and village people and everything inside the water. So I show this is village side. First I draw how to draw heart. First I draw this straight line and two straight line. This is the two. This is a rectangle shape and and, and water cave and door and window and behind I will draw this banana tree and behind I will draw this some bush and mango tree and another house and one house another house I draw. And draw the door and window and draw water cape and back side behind we are draw this tree, banana tree, coconut tree. If you like anyone we are draw. And banana tree and draw cloud and draw one man and carry on the this house material. And look at the picture, a student and see and water cake draw and draw cow and look at this and draw uh, water cave. See, look at this or and draw cloud and rain. Mm. Then I'll draw this one cow, another cow here. And draw rain, see, and cloud, see. Okay, and this is the village side flood and this is the town side flood. Then I'll now is finish this line drawing. I'll show this how to make color. Okay, just I show this how to make. I have to show one heart first. Yes, see this. I'll draw this heart. Okay, student, look at the my picture. See, I'll draw this a village hut and door, window, and cloud and cow. Yes, I use this and color first house and top side we will use yellow color and fence also we are brown color. This fence and bush also orange yellow color, deep yellow occur, and water also blue color. And cloud also blue color. Yes, see the picture. And cow also brown color. Here look at this my picture. Here, see, I will draw outline with black color. And water also blue color. And brown color, some color is inside the water or reflection. We will look at the picture, student. See the picture. Yes. And brown color, with a deep brown and light brown here, and door also black color, and window also black color, and banana tree, banana tree also green color, light green color, or light green or deep green. Here look at the picture, a student. See, now is finished, and some sky is light blue, some places deep blue. And water cave. See, this is the water. And draw cloud with black color. Now I will draw this rain. We just see the picture that's with black color. Just finish this picture. Hopefully we have finished this picture, and next class I will take a next topic. That time I will tell a student. Thank you, bye bye, see you again.